So I'm trying to remember what the hell this is. It's like a radish or a turnip. And you can see the original cup. My kid grew it at school. We kept it in the window and then we put it in this pot. And I think now we're out of the freezing weather, so we're gonna go bury it in the back here in the compost pile. So here's an onion growing that we had in the window too. We just put all this stuff here, just a bunch of lemons and nasty stuff that comes from the food bank that spoils or whatever. So we're gonna put this in here and hopefully it'll do good. So yeah, there we go. So, oh, look at all the roly-polies. I moved this other thing because we were trying to keep like stuff covered in the winter. Anyway, this should be good to go.